Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 4, sorting materials into groups. Today we will study about the transparency. Transparency is a property of material which we will discuss in detail. So today we will study about the transparency. Different materials allow different amounts of light to pass through them depending on a property called transparency. Based on transparency, materials can be of three types: transparent, translucent and opaque. The transparency of a material is decided by the extent to which things can be seen through it. Classification of materials on the basis of transparency, translucency and opaqueness. The property of a material due to which we can see through it clearly is called transparency. Those materials through which we can see clearly are called transparent materials. Transparent materials allow almost all the light to pass through them, due to which the objects behind them can be seen clearly. For example, glass, air, polythene, groundnut, oil, alcohol, etc. If we look at a burning candle through a sheet of clear glass, we can see the candle and its flame clearly. This is because the transparent glass sheet allows all the light coming from the candle and its flame to pass through it and reach our eyes. The glass tumbler, test tube, beaker are transparent. Shopkeepers keep the sweets, biscuits, toffees and chocolates in transparent containers made of glass or plastic, so that customer can see these items easily. The property of material due to which we cannot see through it clearly is called translucency. Those materials through which we can not see clearly are called translucent material. Translucent means semi-transparent. Translucent materials allow only a small amount of light to pass through them, due to which the object behind them cannot be seen clearly. For example, oiled paper, tissue paper, muddy water, clouds, etc. are translucent materials. If we look at a burning candle through a piece of ground glass, we can see only a dim light of the candle. We can neither see the candle itself nor the candle flame clearly through ground glass, which are translucent materials. The windows of bathroom in our homes are made of translucent material, so that though some outside light may enter the bathroom, but nothing is visible clearly from outside. The property of material due to which we cannot see through it at all is called opaqueness. Those materials through which we cannot see at all are called opaque material. For example, cardboard, wood, bricks, metal, book, etc. These are opaque materials. If we look at a burning candle through a piece of cardboard held in front of our eyes, we cannot see anything at all. This is because cardboard does not allow the light of candle flame to pass through it and reach our eyes. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.